Okay, today we got the comparison between the Remington 870 and Mossberg 500, both 12 gauge pump action shotguns, very similar. The two features alike on the Mossberg over the Remington is the tang style safety, which is really easy to operate, as opposed to the Remington, which is a push button style, and the action release, which on the Mossberg it's right behind the trigger guard, really easy to use. The Remington, you actually have to kind of break your grip and it's in front of the trigger guard. Minor details, but those ergonomic features I really like. And also the Remington, for the shell lifter, it's down, so sometimes you can get your finger caught a little bit. That happened to me a couple times. And the Mossberg, it's wide open. And both guns are clear. So, and we're gonna use snap caps for demonstration purposes. One detail on the Mossberg 500, which they said is normal in the instructions, is this little gap between the magazine tube and the barrel. And even with the takedown screw tightened all the way down, there's a small gap there, which you can see, but they said that's normal, so don't be wrenching down on the takedown screw, just hand tighten. So just a little demonstration. So to open the action, you push, open. These are snap caps. Just like that. That was the Mossberg. And the Remington. So for the Remington, release is here. Load. Like that. And the safeties, Mossberg, safe fire, safe. Remington, safe fire, safe. For me, the build quality on the Remington is a little better. It's a little more solid gun. Everything feels solid. Whereas the Mossberg, you see the forend, it moves around a little, but no biggie, but it just feels a little more solid. The Remington does, and Remington comes with I think it's a billet receiver, whereas this Mossberg is aluminum. Okay, so the guns are clear with actions open. I'm gonna show you the chokes. So the Remington, it comes with a choke wrench, and that's the Mossberg. And they both have screw-in chokes. The Remington comes with a modified, whereas the Mossberg, it comes with a modified, but they also give you a improved cylinder and a full choke included with the Mossberg. Magazine capacity is 4 for the 870, and for the Mossberg it's 6. And the Remington, it comes with a plastic plug which limits it to 2. Mossberg has a wooden doll with like O-rings on it, limits it to 2. So the 870 has been my go-to bird hunting gun for a few years now. No problems, no failure to operate or jams that I can think of. It just eats everything I feed it, from dove loads to 3-inch Magnum slugs. So gonna try out the Mossberg this year. Looking forward to that.